Hello everyone, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Last lesson we talked about the concept of earning a salary, which meant that regardless of how many hours you work, you get paid the same. Isn't that a crazy concept? Now, wages is what I guess most of you would earn at a high school age of, let's say, between 13 to 20. You usually work at, let's say, a supermarket or fast food restaurant where you get paid based on how many hours you work. So wages are paid at an hourly rate. So obviously, the more hours you work, the better it is for you. So let's say Emma works at a cafe for, let's say, 20 hours per week. She is paid, let's say, $12 per hour. Calculate her weekly wage. So then all you've got to do is you work out, okay, it's $12 per hour. She works 20 hours. So 12 times 20 would be $240 per week, which is pretty good. Okay, we could also ask you to work it out in reverse. So let's say John gets paid $400 per week for working 30 hours. What is his hourly rate? Well, $400 is how much he got paid for working 30 hours. So divide that up into 30 hours, then we will find out how much he gets paid per hour. And the answer is 400 divided by 30. And the answer is $13.33. So that's pretty much the maths involved with wages. Now, another thing that you can get paid for as part of getting paid wages is an allowance. An allowance is just an extra amount of money that they will pay you if you are working in unfavorable conditions. So, for example, if you're a cleaner and you're working in, let's say, a polluted area, then you might be paid an extra amount of money. So let's give you guys that example. So here is the problem. John is a cleaner who is normally paid $10 per hour. When he works in a polluted area, he gets paid an extra $1 per hour. Calculate John's pay if he works 10 hours, 3 of which are in a polluted area. So he gets paid an extra $1 per hour for the 3 hours. So let's just get his normal pay. So normal pay is $10 per hour times 10 hours, which is $100. Okay, so that's his normal pay. But because he's doing 3 hours in the polluted area and he gets paid $1 extra for that, for each of the 3 hours. So $1 times 3 hours is $3. So his total pay would be $103. So that's what allowances mean. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.